Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here then hi, my name is Shiny, and in this video I will be sharing with you guys some amazing genuine Instagram stores where you will find a plenty of jewelries and accessories in very cheap range, and please excuse that noise. Anyway, so if you're a person who doesn't really shop from Instagram stores that often, I think you should start doing that because you are missing out a lot of things. And also when you are buying something from a homegrown small business, you are actually supporting them and their creativity. And what you are getting in return, well, first of all, you are saving your money because the prices are super cheap and so affordable. Second, a super cute packaging, so when you will receive the parcel, the packaging will actually make you smile. And lastly, you are not only buying a piece of jewelry, it's a piece of art that you are actually buying. And guys, this is not a sponsored video at all. I have bought these earrings with my own money, so the thoughts were my genuine thoughts. And now let's get into the video, but before that, you know what you have to do. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Follow me on my Instagram. This is my Instagram handle and this is my Instagram feed. Please do follow me there. And yeah, now let's get into the video. So the very first store I will be talking about is called Sunflower Yarn. This is their Instagram handle and this is their Instagram page. So the very first earrings I have bought from them is this one. Yes, it's a sunflower made of yarn. I mean, look how pretty these are, and I am a person who loves handmade things, and when I saw these earrings I was like, I had to get this one because sunflowers are my favorite. And this is totally handmade by the very talented owner. These earrings are super lightweight, looks so cute, and let's say it does not have any weight actually. It's totally handmade. You can see the detailing. It looks absolutely pretty and one of my favorite purchase. And my next purchase from the store is this super cute ice cream earrings. I mean, look how cute these are. And this is actually not for me, this is for my friend, and we loved these earrings so much, and it looks so yummy and so cute. You can wear both of them as a statement piece. The price of the sunflower earrings is 80 rupees and the ice cream earrings is 120 rupees, and the detailing and the overall quality is outstanding. And you can see the hard work she have done here in making this. I have literally no words to say. So the prices are worth it. So everything you will find on this page are made out of wool and handmade by the owner, as I said before. I was eyeing on these hoops which look so stunning and give such a boho vibes, and also some teeny tiny earrings like these ones. Let's see if I buy them. I will be definitely share it on my Instagram, so yeah, do follow me there. And not only earrings, you can get woolen hairbands, neck pieces, hair clips, keychains, and even this cute show pieces made out of wool, and also this super cute plushies. Like, OMG, look at them, how cute they are. The next store I will be talking about is called Amanat. This is their Instagram handle and this is their Instagram page, and you will find a plenty of jewelries here too, like flared neck pieces which are so in trend, and bracelets, rings, clay jewelries, oxidized jewelries, and dainty earrings that I have bought. So the very first earrings I have bought is this one. It's a small golden hoop with a shell charm or dangle in it. These are super lightweight, which you can definitely tell by seeing them, and such a pretty piece goes along with every kind of outfit. It looks so pretty, and dainty earrings like this are my current favorite. So the next earrings are the same one but with a moon charm or dangles in it. So this is how it looks like, and yeah, the overall quality is amazing, and the prices of the earrings are 90 rupees each. In the store you can even find earrings prices around 40 to 50 rupees, which is really cheap, right? So definitely check their page out. And the next earrings I have bought from them is this one. This is I don't know what material it is, and I exactly don't know, but it seems like it's clay. So these are totally handmade, and I found it really cute and really pretty. And the price of this one is 70 rupees, and they are super lightweight too, and the quality also is so good. The next store I will be talking about is called One Teeny Wish. This is their Instagram handle, and this is their Instagram page, and this is the earrings that I had bought from them. Yes, it's a daisy, and daisies are my favorite too, so I had to get this one. And you can see this is also made out of wool, and you can wear it as a statement piece. It looks so pretty and so stunning. It is so beautifully woven. Look at the quality, and the price of this one is 190 rupees, which might seem like it's little expensive, but the quality and the finish and everything is too good. And as I said, everything is handmade, so the hard work they put in making of these earrings, and comparing to that, the prices are, I think it's fair enough. You will find plenty of woolen earrings here too. So everything is made by the super talented owners of the store. Like this different fruit earrings are so cute, and look at this pretty teeny tiny book earrings. How cute these are. You can customize them, by the way. And they also sell these pretty hair ties, clay earrings, bookmarks, keychain, and hair clips too. So my next purchase is the hair clips. So this is the one, and this is the one I'm wearing. And yeah, so I got it in two colors. It's a brown color and it's in white color, like you can see. And these are, I think these are called tic tac clips. I exactly don't know. If you buy one, then the price is 60 rupees, and if you buy two, the price is 100 rupees. And this statement hair clips are so much in trend right now, and no offense, but I don't like those pearl hair clips, so I was really looking for something else, like something except pearls. So I finally found it, and I am so happy. So definitely check their page out. The next page is called the Mega Store. This is their Instagram handle, and this is their Instagram page. Now this is not only a jewelry or accessory page, you will find clothing items here too. I have never tried the clothing item from them, so I can't really tell about the quality and all. So I had received 2 earrings from them for an Instagram collaboration. So if you follow me there, you might have seen those. So this is the very first earrings that I am wearing right now. It's a very cute, very small and very dainty, super cute daisy earrings. The quality, I must say, I have never thought that the quality will be that good, but it is definitely a very good quality. It looks so pretty when you wear them. And the next pair of earrings is this one. इसकी भी क्वालिटी बहुत ही अच्छी है. I have never thought कि इसकी भी क्वालिटी इतनी अच्छी आएगी. And the material is too good, and yeah, so these 2 earrings are not purchased by me, but the quality is too good, so I thought of sharing them with you guys in this video. And yeah, that's all about this video. I hope you find it helpful and you enjoyed watching. If so, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and comment down below if you want to see more such videos like this. And yeah, subscribe to my channel, follow me on my Instagram. This is my Instagram handle, and share this video with your friends, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.